my beautiful people, a new day, a new episode on किसी ने बताया नहीं, The Mama Karo Show. आज का एपिसोड इज फुल ऑफ वॉट वी आर एज ह्यूमन बींग्स, द इमोशनल साइड ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स. एंड इमोशंस जो है ना, उनका ट्रू टेस्ट मुझे ऐसा लगता है, मेरे एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रेगनेंसी में ही टेस्ट किया जाता है, बिकॉज ऑफ द हार्मोनल चेंजेस, विच इज ओ माई गॉड, कभी किसी ने बताया नहीं है कि ऐसा भी होता है. एंड फॉर दिस डिस्कशन आई हैव the lovely and full of energy, because the moment she walked in na, she was like, oh my god, I miss the bum, I wish मैं वापस से क्या बोलते pregnant हूँ, I want to have a cricket team with me, I am so enthusiastic. I was like, wow, she got some great energy, she's pretty, she's stunning, and the way she gave me her first interaction and her first vibe, I must say I fell in love with that vibe. She is none other than Ishita Datta. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you
for taking out time. And I truly, truly, truly appreciate this thing. And I truly appreciate the way you walked in, the way हम physically आज पहली बार मिले, virtually of course, body of work and everything. I truly appreciate that. Thank you so much.
I was so excited to come and meet you. In fact, I think the first time we spoke, I think मुझे तभी बात करनी थी, because I have so much to say. And I feel it's such a good platform that you have established, where people are coming and talking, because when I was in my journey, I wanted to talk to someone. I wanted to hear from people like us whom we watch, on TV, on film, on the big screen. So thank you for doing this. And मैं बहुत बातें करने वाली हूँ, बहुत edit करने पड़ना पड़ेगा, because मैं बहुत चपर करने वाली हूँ.
Please, हम चाहते ही हैं that you just मतलब unfilter होके just speak your heart out today. You have a lot of things to say. There was a reel that you made postpartum के बाद, I think हफ्ता 10 दिन हुआ था, the sleepless nights and this and that, and the way you explained it, I was like, wow, मतलब she's aware of her emotional side, and you are the best person that I can have this conversation with. So let's begin. Ke how did you see this change beginning from the first trimester? And क्या highs and lows और क्या extremes रहे हैं?
I think so many highs and lows. Of course, like you said, हम हमेशा अच्छी बातें ही करते हैं, because even when my friends talk to me, I'm like, of course I will talk to you about lot of negative things. मतलब ये नहीं that you shouldn't be pregnant. It's a beautiful journey. Everybody should go through it. But yes, काफ़ी ups and lows होते हैं, and it is okay to experience it. It is okay to talk about it, and it is okay to feel sad.
Absolutely.
My point is that खुश रहो, बच्चे को effect होगा. Of course, but the thing is, if you're not expressing yourself, अगर at any point you're feeling low, अगर आप express ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो बच्चा तो अंदर ही can he or she can anyways experience what you're feeling, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
So you rather talk about it, let it out, अभी तुम्हारा partner है, he's also a part of your journey, so he should also experience what you're experiencing.
Yes.
So this is what I maintain, and thankfully Vatsal has been an excellent partner throughout this journey. Like I love him more now, where he allowed me to express each and everything that I was feeling. मतलब मुझे किसी ने नहीं कहा कि अरे तू माँ बनने वाली है तो you should not be sad, or why are you cribbing. He was like, it's okay, if you're not feeling okay, you're not feeling okay. So that was what my pregnancy journey was, and I think it became very comfortable, because at every point I was able to express myself. Starting with the first trimester, of course, सबको पता है, like nausea, headache, food aversion, kitchen. Like I love food. I think after that half the things I stopped eating. Anyways, I turned vegetarian few years back. उसमें भी आधे options खत्म हो गए. So I was just having tomato. Like I used to literally have kacha tomato with salt.
Really?
Yeah.
And I used to have parantha with dahi. That's it I could eat.
Yeah. So mine was only salad. And okay, Vatsal hates tomato. Matlab, he cannot stand tomatoes, and I used to have kacha tomato like this, and he used to be like,
oh God,
Ishita, can we just go somewhere else and eat? Then I used to have neembu with namak मेरे bed के बाजू में, and I used to just lick on it constantly. So first 3 months, I used to calculate like Google में कितने time लगता है, 12 weeks, and I used to be like 11th week हो गया, 11th week 2 days हो गया.
Now it should just wear off.
Now it should just wear
off.
So 14th week approximately, everything settled, and of course Second trimester is the best. It's like a honeymoon period. Yeah, like it's like so nice. जो खाना है खाओ. Skin
जहाँ
is
जाना है
glowing.
जाओ.
Yeah. Hair is like wow. Like अभी तो
Yeah.
सब गए. But you know your skin glows and you look best and wherever you're going people are complimenting you कि कितने अच्छे लग रहे हो and you're like okay makeup भी नहीं है. So yeah, second trimester would be my favorite, absolute favorite.
So you had that sudden rise of happiness and you know all the hormones going in the right place.
Yeah. Like,
Because I remember जब मेरा first trimester जब खत्म हुआ, this feeling of entering into second trimester emotionally, I felt that transition. I remember I was sitting in my balcony because तब तक तो ऐसा था ना first trimester में तो I didn't even feel like looking at myself. इतना sweaty face, इतना dull and bloating and you just don't feel like even going to a salon or maybe doing your hair
or even talking to anyone.
Yeah, not even talking. I didn't even speak to my friends. I was like nobody cares.
Like nobody called me only because they were like इसको बात नहीं करते अभी. She's in a very angry zone. My parents also would be like आज इसका mood कैसा है. So I think first 3 months nobody came around me. They were like okay ये कभी भी.
मैं तो बिना बात I used to just call Abhinav and I was like I don't know what I'm getting into. Where are these women that just talk so glamorous about कि यार ऐसा भी होता है वैसा भी तो मेरे साथ तो ऐसा कुछ अच्छा भी नहीं हो रहा है. मैं तो मतलब इतनी क्रीबी क्रैबी हो गई थी ना. मैंने कहा यार मुझे ना मतलब मुझे नहीं पसंद आ रहा है. अगर ऐसे ही रहने वाला है मुझे नहीं पसंद आ रहा है ये. But then I actually remember that evening in my balcony. Suddenly ना ऐसा लगा शोल्डर से ना कुछ ऐसा लिफ्ट हुआ. ये सारी उदासी, sorrow and anxiety and you know the so called dirty mood, it just got lifted. Yeah. Oh, I think now I'm in my second trimester that people talk about.
Really, like it was eventually, it didn't happen suddenly. But हाँ, like खाने से aversion चला गया. Suddenly I was eating, I was gaining weight. So the first trimester I lost a lot of weight. So I was getting stressed कि generally कहते हैं ना कि weight gain होना चाहिए. But I was losing up till the I think 6th month I didn't gain any weight.
I तो love coffee. मेरी तो कॉफी छूट गई थी.
हाँ,
4 महीने बाद कॉफी पी.
No, this is another thing. Yeah. So I still don't know if I'm a coffee person or a tea person. I'm basically चाय पी रही हूँ तो मैं चाय पीऊँगी, कॉफी तो कॉफी. So I like everything. Second trimester happened gradually. Suddenly one day I was like, oh. You know, I'm not angry at everybody. I'm not snapping at Vatsal, and Vatsal's like, oh, अभी थोड़ा अच्छा phase शुरू हो रहा है. So that's when I started traveling. I did a film also, so I shot. So I was active. I was completely active. So second में तो कुछ खराब बोलने का है ही नहीं. I think. But did you also Google कि ये हो रहा है तो ये क्या है? Like,
नहीं यार, मैं
like I used to keep like checking with every news in which I even do now with Vayu. कुछ हुआ नहीं था. I'm like ये कभी होगा, ये क्या होगा, तो कीपिंग अ ट्रैक ऑफ विच वीक में क्या इमोशंस होने वाले. सो देयर आर सर्टेन एप्स आल्सो आई यूज्ड टू फॉलो.
ये मैंने थोड़ा अपना R&D बिकॉज हम प्लान कर रहे थे 2 सालों से, तो ये थोड़ा बहुत R&D ना मेरा मैंने तब किया हुआ था. क्योंकि मुझे एक बात ये पता थी कि अगर मुझे कुछ हुआ अब उसके लिए मैं इफ आई डिपेंड ऑन इंटरनेट और इफ आई सर्च इट अप तो मेरा दिमाग ना वहीं चलता रहेगा. देन फिर वो क्या होता है ना, आप सर्च इंजन पे जाओ, इफ यू राइट if this thing is not right for me, so every suggestion will be like it's not right for you. So मतलब वहाँ पे you can't decide whether
it's right or
right or wrong. तो मैंने ना वो idea ही छोड़ दिया. मैंने कहा अच्छा मैंने सुना था ऐसा होगा.
Luckily for me what happened, we decided we won't tell anyone, only our families knew. So I had one friend who I spoke to because I was going through so much and she just had a baby. So I keep telling Kirti, like if you were not there, I don't know what I would have done, because for every single thing I used to call her. I used to message her. So हम लोग के chat messages over the last year, if you see, रात को 2 बजे voice note, 4 बजे voice note, 6 बजे, even after delivery. So she was there. So kind of she always told me कि हाँ ये होने वाला है. She always मेरे को aware किया कि अच्छा इसके बाद ना ये होगा. So please don't panic. It's going to happen and it's going to be okay.
I planned my क्या बोलते हैं travel. 2 months I want to be off. And I want to experience concerts because मैंने कभी concerts नहीं देखे थे. मैंने कहा I want to experience travel, I want to experience new country, I want to experience new culture, I want to do everything.
And I was like, wow.
Yeah, I was like, I want to do everything. तो लोग मुझसे पूछते थे, Are you traveling alone? Okay, yeah, of course. I'm on my baby moon. I remember the girl who helps me at home. She's like, भैया मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, दीदी को ना आजकल कुछ हो गया है.
But I think when people get to know now that you were pregnant, they'll be like, acha. So then they're like, acha, it makes sense now that why the reaction was such.
And then came the 3rd trimester, and I'm like, इतना अब दिमाग में है ना, because now you are towards the finishing line.
Yes.
Am I sleeping the right way?
Yes.
क्या मैंने खाना सही खाया है? मुझे जो 3rd trimester में फील जो हो रहा है दैट इज मोर गिल्ट रिडन.
न्यूट्रिशियस खाना खा रही हूँ कि नहीं.
न्यूट्रिशन, हाँ, मैं तो मतलब इतना तक रीड कर जाती हूँ. व्हेन आई गो टू माय गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट आई एम रीडिंग हिज फेस व्हाइल ही इज रीडिंग द रिपोर्ट.
But you know this happens.
So if he even does this, I'm like, anything wrong? So he's like, no, everything is fine. Then again I'll keep looking at him. I'm like, all okay? Yeah, everything is fine. So even when he would ऐसी कोई technical term, you know,
Which you don't know, हाँ.
this इतना % अभी बढ़ा है, इतना होना चाहिए था, just marginal वो. घर आके oh my god, ऐसा मैं क्या खाऊं अब, ऐसा मैं क्या करूं अब, how to overcome that difference and everything. I'm more into that journey of.
No, that happens because I remember my doctor used to counsel me after every scan. She knew that ये तो थोड़ी है, ये scan करके आएगी and then she start crying because ये इतना लंबा नहीं हो, जितना होना चाहिए था उतना inches नहीं हुआ है.
Yeah, exactly.
This and that. So Vatsal asks a lot of questions as if उसको डॉक्टर ही बनना है. So whenever he would ask me, I would be embarrassed and I would be Vatsal, इतना भी मत पूछ, it's okay. And the doctor is like, उसको पूछने दो, you know, let him ask. And I also think guys, मतलब maybe Vatsal or some guys don't know so much about the female body, जो हमें शायद anyways पता ही होती है कि अच्छा ये होने वाला है, ये होने वाला है. So my doctor was absolutely chilled out. मतलब कुछ अगर reports में खराब आ भी गया ना, she would be like, you know what, stress से कुछ होने नहीं वाला है, it's just going to make it worse. हो जाएगा and I'm there, don't worry. So I had a very early delivery. So I had 8 months complete होते होते ही I delivered because there were some complications and stuff. So उसमें भी I used to go to the hospital and she's like, so what, okay, जल्दी आ जाएगा, rush में है तेरा बच्चा, आ जाएगा, we'll figure it out, don't worry. So I think my doctor gave me a lot of confidence through this journey. Otherwise I'm someone who can really panic, big time.
So did you like really panic at the time of?
No, I was making vlogs. So my entire family was
so nice.
So surprised.
That's so nice.
So what happened? 7 months के 8 months के बीच में ना I started bleeding. So we went to the doctor and honestly first 7 months मैंने इतना panic किया, somehow I didn't panic in the last month. I was very chilled out. She stopped me from working out. She said I was constantly working out throughout the pregnancy. She said चलो अभी take it slow, you know, no bed rest, but let's see. Then they did test and all. They kept me in the hospital for 2 days. मेरे platelets बहुत नीचे चले गए थे. There was no infection. They couldn't find the reason कि क्या हो रहा है. So they thought कि अभी delivery हो जाएगी. Then they were trying to push कि जितना late हो so that जितना baby अंदर रहता है, the baby develops, you know, weight gain and all that happens.
Now it is like exactly. 1 day is like a 1 week of growth.
Yes. Yeah. So we managed 7 days and in 7 days only the baby का weight भी काफी बढ़ गया था. But in those 7 days I think every morning I went to the hospital because मुझे pain शुरू होता था at 4-5 in the morning and I used to be like okay it's time. I used to go and then they used to send me back. कि false labor, go back. So the day actually when the labor happened, I didn't take it seriously. It's like क्या है रोज सुबह 4 बजे पेन शुरू हो जाता है.
But you have such a good stamina and strength that for pain you said अच्छा ठीक है चलो बात है.
I didn't bother. I didn't wake anyone up. I was sleeping.
Wow.
And then finally I think 1 or 2 hours में जब मैं washroom गई and then I saw spotting. Then I called my doctor. Then she's yelling कि इतने हफ्ते से तो you're coming like a crazy person and the day you're supposed to come you're sitting आराम से. I said, oh, I'll come. She's like, हाँ, you come immediately. And she left home. This is at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Wow.
At 6:30, I'm still घर पे. And she's calling me. She's like, where are you? I've reached. I said, yeah, I'm coming. So basically, I washed my hair. I blow dried my hair. I did my makeup. I said, अभी जा रहे तो I should look nice. You know, I'll take my vlog.
I love this attitude.
I ate breakfast. I had fruits. And Vatsal was also like, हाँ, she's fine. So, you know, 7 बजे, 7:30 बजे.
और लेबर चल रहा है?
हाँ, चल रहा है. मतलब उतना नहीं था. Honestly, my pain was not that much. So that's why I was, uncomfort. Okay, fine. Then Vatsal is like कि चलो चलते. Doctor is yelling at him कि तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? You know, तब से we are waiting. Then we went and I thought they'll send me back again. They'll say it's a false labor. So I was prepared. Vlog करते. So if you see my YouTube vlog, पहले I'm like very happy and बीच में कुछ नहीं है. There is no recording of that बीच में 4-5 hours because my pain went from 0 to 100. So they admitted me and I'm talking to Vatsal, nicely chit-chatting. I go to the washroom, I come out and I'm this different person. I'm like, oh my God, I'm not scaring you, but oh my God.
I'm just into your story now.
I was like, suddenly what is happening? So normally it's a gradual pain जो शुरू होता है, it's थोड़ा then थोड़ा
interval कम होता है. That's what I've heard.
Nothing. For me it was straight up.
Okay.
And I was like, no, this is like you take a lot of classes, right? Yoga classes, this classes. तो tell you कैसा होता है. I said, ये तो नहीं कहा था मुझे. ये तो this is something new.
किसी ने नहीं बताया कि ऐसे भी होगा.
And I am screaming and I'm like, what do I do? क्या पकड़ूं? And Vatsal, then I look at Vatsal. This is very funny. I look at Vatsal and Vatsal is reading a book. And I'm like, Batty, what are you doing? He's like, नहीं ये लिखा नहीं था, you know, they didn't tell us this is going to happen. I said, Betty, call the doctor. I don't care book में क्या लिखा है, because he was like prepared कि मैं इसको, you know, they had taught us, massage करो, you know, give her water sips, give her some hot towel, whatever they had told me. So he was mentally prepared that now I will do this 1 hour, first hour, second hour, third hour. No first, second, see the final hour. So from the moment I entered the hospital, they admitted me. In 3 hours I delivered the baby. So at my home also, like Vatsal called from the operation theatre and he's like, you know, congratulations. My mom is like, for what? So she's like, your grandchild? She's like, हो गया? अभी तो गए थे. So everybody thought कि 24 hours, 48 hours लगेगा. But it all happened like in 3 hours. So yeah,
wow.
my third trimester finished हुआ ही नहीं था honestly. उसके पहले ही the baby came.
Wow. थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर का सबसे बड़ा वो, जब से तो आई हैव एंटर्ड, मेरी एवरेज स्लीप इज 2 से 2.5 घंटा ओनली.
And pee cycle?
I would say not much.
Not much? Oh my
Night
God.
twice or thrice.
Really?
Night twice or
every
thrice.
hour. Every hour I used to get up because this one
Really?
used to kick my bladder constantly.
Really?
So yeah, I used to just take
Wow.
5 minutes to get up, go to, and actually you don't pee so much because
It's not the pressure, it's not the quantity. It's just the pressure that.
sorry, बहुत डिटेल में बात कर रहे हैं, but ये
but
होता
no,
है.
it's okay. Yeah,
it's
होता
a
है, of
fact.
course
And you know
होता
when you
है.
go to the washroom, you're like,
Yeah, why?
why? You know? So I had this thing that I would see Vatsal, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता था कि वो सो रहा आराम से, तो मैं जानबूझ के ना उसको किक करके, अभी पता चलेगा उसको किक करके ऐसे उठा देती थी कि वो सॉरी मेरा पैर लग गया, so that you also get up every time I get up.
फिर उसके बाद ना, फिर जब मैं उठ जाती हूँ, फिर मैं सोचती रहती हूँ बैक पे मैं लेट नहीं पाऊंगी, इधर टर्न करूंगी, अभी क्या सर दब रहा है, पैर दब रहा है, क्या दब रहा है, कुछ ज्यादा तो नहीं दबा दिया. फिर मैं वापस आती हूँ, फिर लगता है अभी यहाँ कौन सी पोजीशन में दब. So
Yeah.
it's
So
much
the
of
turning
thinking
itself,
only.
yeah, was like like something moving inside.
Yeah. It just is like
Yeah.
it's a full exercise.
Exercise.
It's a full exercise.
But I miss it.
Really?
Yeah, I miss it. I miss the kicks.
Yeah.
This, like even when it gets very intense, like you can probably sometimes see the leg also. I miss it. I really miss it.
Wow.
I still go back and I watch the videos. Ki,
Huh?
It's a different feeling, I think.
We
So all
connect
my
the
friends that I
dots
talk
later.
to now who have toddlers who are like 1 year, 2 year, they are like, trust me, you're going to miss this. And I'm telling you now that he's 4 months, I missed the first 3 months.
मैं तो अपना second trimester as of now I'm missing
Missing
that
it, yeah.
second trimester. But ये third वाले में भी कुछ ना कुछ
But
चलता ही
I
है.
one advice I'll give you, which everybody
Please,
gave me.
please.
Please sleep.
कहाँ से सोऊं, जो नींद ही नहीं आती है.
After the baby comes, you'll be like, ये नींद था.
Really?
अभी नींद
तो मैंने तो एवरेज में बता रही हूँ 2.5 घंटा, उसके बाद क्या ही होगा.
So
उसके
I
बाद
know
क्या ही
it's less,
होगा?
but sleep.
क्योंकि दिन में मैं सो नहीं पाती हूँ.
अच्छा.
By
हाँ,
nature.
By nature.
By
I can
nature.
sleep anywhere. I can sleep right now.
You are
With the
blessed.
cameras on, I
You
can
are
go
blessed.
to sleep.
You are blessed. ये problem I think my mother has given me.
हाँ.
She has मतलब she has insomnia, I feel so.
हाँ.
ये my mother has given me this thing.
So you need like proper.
I need proper environment,
हाँ.
even temperature.
Oh.
मैं नहीं सो सकती हूँ. मेरे को मतलब it disturbs me so much. It just
I'm
brings
smiling because I know what is going to happen.
Exactly.
Temperature, I know what's going to happen.
Yeah, palpitations इतनी वो sudden noises, my heart just goes duk 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 duk.
हाँ.
तो मेरे लिए अभी थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर में ना क्योंकि नींद पूरी नहीं हो रही है ना, तो आई एम मोर इरिटेटेड.
Yeah.
आजकल तो मैं ऐसे उल्लू की तरह ना 4:30-5 बजे उठ जाती हूँ. तो मैं सोचती हूँ अभी तो सब सो रहे होंगे, व्हाट इफ आई गो आउट, अच्छा देन एवरीबडी विल बी डिस्टर्ब्ड, क्या करूँ. बस ये दिस इज माई सोच विचार फॉर.
But you know, whatever symptoms I had now, okay, now chai wali, I'll come back to the chai thing.
हाँ प्लीज.
So I was like, यार चाय नहीं मिलती है. Me and my father have this rituals that रात को हम चाय पी के सोते हैं.
रात को.
So me and my
मैंने पहली बार
mom,
सुना है
dad,
रात को.
we have a cup of tea and immediately go to sleep. So clearly caffeine doesn't affect us. मतलब कॉफी वॉफी पी के भी I can go to sleep immediately. कॉफी शॉट
You
पी
are
के.
blessed. That's what I'm telling you. मैंने पहली बार कोई ऐसा सुना है, कहीं भी सो जाए, चाय पी के और कॉफी पी के भी सो जाए.
हाँ. So my dad was like every night he used to try कि आज पी ले शायद अच्छा लगेगा. So because he was missing his chai partner. And I used to be like, Dad, मुझे लगता है अभी it's over. I don't think so I'll ever be a person who will have chai because I couldn't stand it. So a lot of people said, you know, once you deliver ना, immediately it changes.
अच्छा.
I said नहीं यार, immediately कैसे change होगा? But the first thing that I did post delivery was go to the room and I ordered chai. I said मुझे चाय चाहिए. I want to test कि सच में है कि नहीं. And I loved it.
Really?
Like it's like it just goes back. All your hormones go back. For me, at least, it happened in a second.
Immediately after delivery.
Immediately. The first thing I had was tea. My doctor said, क्या खाना है? मैंने actually बोला मुझे चाय पीनी है because I love enjoying my cup of tea.
Wow.
And
if I may ask you,
yeah,
you had a natural birth
yeah,
or a
yeah,
cesarean?
yeah, natural, yeah.
Braved it up.
But I know the feeling of that drop, you know, like from that intense pain, it just went whoosh, nothing. Wow. I'm telling you, they were still stitching, and you know, they put the baby on your chest, and I mean, I have those pictures for sure. And I was just enjoying that moment. I called my mom. I said, you know, beta hua hai, ye hai, wo hai. And my mom is like, where are you? I'm like, no, the doctors are still here. They're still finishing up, and I'm on the phone. I don't know when or if, but I would love to experience it again because it's something that I really,
That is the first
really
thing
miss.
that you told me. I was like, wow, this girl has some nerve. She's like, she wants to go again. मैंने कहा, I am like finishing line, पहुंच जाए भैया.
I think once you reach that, because you've already gone through the journey, so now I feel I know, you know. I would always think when I was in your phase, I would like, कैसे people have three, four kids? I mean, how? But now that you've crossed that, like the first 3 months also, when later we talk about that, that is also a tough journey. When babies, you don't know anything. But now looking back, I'm like, now I feel I'm an expert. Like I know. अच्छा ये होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा. It's like you are your own experience.
Nature has blessed us.
Yeah. I'm telling you because in my journey, when I saw some videos on online, and I saw this one person, I'm forgetting the name, where she said that I hated it. So I'm saying that it's okay. You don't have to love your pregnancy journey.
Exactly.
You know? It is okay if you hate it, you don't like it, you were cribby, you were cranky, and you were not like. एक तो social media is not true. Like I keep telling everybody, we put the best.
We choose what we want to see and keep with us.
Yes.
You're a gift to people who are watching you and who are actually.
Thank you.
Yeah, it is a gift, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we end our segment with your first. So what was your first reaction when you got to know you're pregnant?
I cried. I was alone, I cried, and I took some 100 more tests to be sure.
Vatsal's first reaction when you told him that you were pregnant?
I think I've captured it actually on social media.
Really?
He was just, really? He kept saying that because he was just like of course we were planning. It was not like an accidental pregnancy, but still, you know, he was like overwhelmed and very excited.
Wow. Your first reaction when you saw the ultrasound, your first ultrasound?
Can I be very honest?
Please.
I couldn't see it. I was like, the doctor's like, see, it's wiggling. And I'm like, where? I'm like, where? So 2-3 ultrasound, I couldn't really see much. And I've seen people where they cry and all. I was not emotional. So I was like, Vatsal, there's something wrong with me because I am not emotional at all. I can barely see it.
You went with some expectations.
Yeah, I thought I went with tissue paper and all because I was like, oh, I'm going to cry and all. Sorry, Vayu, but there were no tears at all. I was like, where?
That's great. Okay, your first reaction for your first kick that you experienced.
Again, I was confused कि gas है कि kick है.
यार ये मैंने ना मतलब अभी मेरे पास जो 2 दिन पहले भी गेस्ट थे ना उनसे भी यही बात हुई. वो कहते समझ में नहीं आया था कि गैस, और मेरे साथ भी यही हुआ. मैं भी अपने गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट के पास गई. मैंने कहा आई मतलब नॉट अ किक देयर वाज अ विगल एंड आई कुड जस्ट फील. शी वाज लाइक अभी फिलहाल इट्स जस्ट गोना बी मोर ऑफ ब्लोटिंग इन गैसेस. आई सेड नो इट वाज डिफरेंट.
It's like you can't explain, ना? It's like a गुड़
समझ ही नहीं आया.
Like some good is happening. So yeah, so my
और आज तक मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगी कि मेरा भी फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या था.
हाँ, वो शायद गैस समझ के निकल गया.
निकल ही गया.
रिएक्शन.
या फिर कभी अगर किक किया होगा सोते भी निकल गया होगा.
निकल गया होगा. Again, सोशल मीडिया में अलग होता है. रियल लाइफ में
रियल में नहीं समझ में आया. That's so honest. That's actually honest. Okay. At the end, what do you think that I am like? Carrying a baby girl or a baby boy? Just a guess. ये तो any fun boy.
Boy.
सभी बोल रहे हैं. सभी नहीं actually. हाँ, almost 80%.
See, for me, everybody was right.
हाँ.
Everybody said, 1 or 2 people said girl. Everybody said boy.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing this. And मतलब from the bottom of my heart, I have enjoyed this conversation. I've had the moments of my goosebumps. So before you leave now, I have a छोटा सा token of appreciation. So here is a
Please
small...
don't get up. I'll get up.
नहीं, small token of appreciation. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग एंड थैंक यू फॉर डूइंग दिस. इसमें शुगर फ्री कुकीज़ हैं सारी. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much.